Salam. The next lesson is on another sound in Persian writing. اسمش او، صداش او. او مثل چی؟ او مثل ocean، مثل ordinary، مثل cold، مثل row. So the way to write that is just an aleph and a wiggly shape on top. The way to do this thing is you make a circle and go down. This part is just like a re or a z, but then it starts from right and it goes around and it comes down. Okay? I have to remind you that this is not a letter of alphabet. This is a sound to help you read. So the initial form is O, مثل چی؟ ob, och, o, s, o, t, o, r. The middle form is just a small sign on top of whatever letter. So imagine we're talking B, O, por, t, o, tor, s, o, sor, sh, o, shore. Because we have this little one, we start reading by the consonant because this is the middle form of the sound. So we start with whatever letter that is. Now this is he, o, hor. Now the middle form sometimes, not always, is represented as an actual size letter. So it would be sor sometimes, or like khor. Okay. Now the final form is this. So if it's connected, it starts from the baseline, goes around and comes down. See, dobare. It's just like a twist in a rope. You make the rope twist. Imagine the writing as a line that you're shaping on a sand. You're just making a twist in your rope. Now, if the letter is a non-connecting letter, the final position would be just a standing alone O. And then O never connects from this side, never. So let's see. B, O, bo, t, o, to, ch, o, cho, ch, o, cho. Ho. See, it's not supposed to be like this. It's supposed to be ho. Now I'm going to ask you to make combinations, letter combination, like start with O and then do ob, او با او باخ او با خ او با خس. Sorry, it's hard to write on the screen, and sometimes it doesn't follow my orders as a simple pen and paper. O ba khe so. So here you see that we have O ba khe so. So yek do se chahar, 4 syllables. Now I'm going to give you some actual words that use this sound. To, ro, should, rosht. This gives you an idea of how these sounds and letters are used in Farsi. Ukh, khor, ta, sho, sor, shor, us, tad, tund. مرسی. خداحافظ.